Are you looking for a long-term sustainable diet that promotes weight loss and supports a healthy life? A diet that is optimal for your health, easy on your pocket and easy to adapt and sustain for a longer period of time. Today, you'll find out the perfect diet in this regard, giving you a perfectly healthy and energetic life. We'll be backing our recommendations based on a recent study, specifically focused on the two most popular diets. The very popular Keto Diet and the super reliable Mediterranean diet. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in fitness and weight loss transformation. In the realm of low carbohydrate options for individuals seeking a healthy diet, the debate between the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean diet is a hot topic. As both of these diets have their distinct benefits related to the overall health, we all must have a clear understanding which diet is right for us to choose. Today, we will explore the key components of both keto and Mediterranean diet, their impact on weight loss and overall health, plus their influence on individuals with diabetes. Drawing insights from the findings of the very recent Keto Med randomized crossover trial. So, before jumping to the study and its startling results, let's first understand how the keto and Mediterranean diet work. The ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet. It triggers a metabolic state in the body, called ketosis. By restricting carbohydrate intake, the body shifts from using glucose as its primary fuel source to burning stored fat. How this diet helps in weight loss, you'll find in a little bit. Currently popular keto recipes include cauliflower crust pizza, zucchini noodles with pesto, and keto chicken stir-fry. On the other hand, the Mediterranean diet works in a totally different way. The Mediterranean diet is characterized by a focus on whole, unprocessed foods. It includes an abundance of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes. Healthy fats like olive oil are a key component of this diet. This diet is rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Greek salad, baked salmon, and grilled Mediterranean chicken are among the most popular Mediterranean diet recipes followed these days. Now, let's see how Mediterranean and keto diets trigger weight loss in the body. Both the keto diet and the Mediterranean diet have demonstrated positive outcomes in terms of weight loss. The ketogenic diet initially leads to rapid weight loss due to the body's utilization of stored fat for energy. However, it is important to note that this weight loss is primarily due to water loss. But weight loss process is different in the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet, with its balanced macronutrient ratios and emphasis on nutrient-dense foods, supports gradual and sustainable weight loss. Important thing to note is that unlike keto, the Mediterranean diet is not restrictive in terms of nutritional options, making it a much easier diet to adapt for long-term benefits and results. Now, let's move to the findings and results of the latest study on these diets. The Keto Med trial compared the effects of the well-formulated ketogenic diet, WFKD, and the Mediterranean Plus diet, Med Plus, on various health parameters. It includes glycated hemoglobin, HbA1c, levels, weight, and other cardiometabolic risk factors. Interestingly, the study revealed that HbA1c values did not significantly differ between the two diets after 12 weeks. However, both diets led to improvements in HbA1c levels from the baseline, suggesting positive effects on glucose control. However, when it comes to weight loss, the WFKD resulted in an 8% reduction in weight, while the Med Plus achieved a 7% weight loss. The keto variant also showed a greater decrease in triglycerides, indicating improved cardiovascular health. However, it's worth noting that the WFKD was associated with higher LDL cholesterol levels, which may pose health risks. Additionally, participants on keto had lower intakes of fiber and certain nutrients compared to the Mediterranean diet variant, potentially leading to nutrient deficiencies for those on keto trial. Before we move on to the verdict, which is the right diet to choose for healthy life, which one of these diet you tend to follow, do tell in the comments. So, as we have understood, regarding a sustainable diet for weight loss and diabetes management, both the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean diet offer potential benefits. While the ketogenic diet may lead to initial rapid weight loss, It carries the risk of elevated LDL cholesterol levels and potential nutrient deficiencies. On the other hand, the Mediterranean diet provides a balanced approach with diverse food choices, promoting sustainable weight loss and overall health. Individuals with diabetes-related medical conditions should consult healthcare professionals to determine the most suitable dietary approach based on their specific needs. It is crucial to focus on a well-rounded, balanced diet. A diet that supports weight loss, glucose control, and cardiovascular health. By embracing a personalized and sustainable approach to nutrition, you can achieve your health goals and improve your overall well-being. We'll be bringing more insights on these diets, enabling you make an informed decision for yourself. Subscribe now to Shape Squad, and keep getting all the valuable tips and guide on fitness and overall health. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Our next video will really help you boost your health further. See you.